Hello children, this is your maths class and we are doing practice set 35. First two question is done. Let us go to the third question. Ahmed Chacha borrowed 25,000 at 12 PCPA for a year. What amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? So they have given. So Ahmed Chacha is borrowing money. Okay. So principal they have given, that is the money he borrowed, is rupees 25,000. Okay. So the principal is 25,000. Now the rate of interest is 12 PCPA. So let us assume. So you have to, rate of interest is this much. So you have to find the interest, right? So the interest, let interest be x. Okay. So x by 25,000 is equal to 12 by 100. So that means x by 25,000 into 25,000 is equal to 12 by 100 into 25,000. You can cut two of the zeros. Here you will get x is equal to 12 into 25 will do, and then you can put a 0. Okay. Then 1 carry 5, 0. So you get 300 and a 0. That is, this is 25 into 12. So here it is 250 into 12, right? So it will be 3,000. So x is 3,000. That is 3,000 rupees. Okay, rupees 3,000. That is the interest. So the money Ahmed Chacha has to return will be what? The principal. So with this I have to plus this amount, the interest, that is 25,000 plus 3,000. Okay, that will give you how much? Rupees 28,000. Okay, so rupees 28,000 he has to return after 1 year. Why? Because the rate of interest is 12 PCPA. So with that you will get the interest is 3,000. So that 3,000 you have to add to 25,000. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. Next question is, Kisan Rao wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed 35,250 from a bank at an interest rate of 6 PCPA. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? So here they have asked the interest. You have to find the interest only. Before that you had to find the total money he had to pay. Okay, that is different. So here the principal is given as, in the third question is also borrowing and the fourth question is also borrowing, right? But in the third question you had to find the interest and then add it to the principal. Okay, and then you will get the amount you had to pay. Here in the fourth question here they are just asking what will be the interest he will have to pay. Okay, so here fourth question, that is Kisan Rao, the principal is how much? 35,250. Okay, rupees. and the rate is 6 PCPA. Okay, so let X is the interest. For 1 year. For 1 year means simple interest. Okay. So X by 35250 is equal to 6 by 100. So X by 35250 into 35250 is equal to 6 by 100 into 35250. So you will get X is equal to, one of the zeros you can cut, right? Then what simplification you can do? 5. Both are factor. Here it is 2 and here 3525. How much? When you divide by 5, 7 times 35 minus 0. Take 2 means 0. 25 means 5. So it will be 705. Sorry. When you cut this, you will get 2. 2 into 5 is 10. And here 5 into 705 is 3525. Okay, so you will get, again simplifying. Again this 2 you can cut and write here 3. Right? So we are just simplifying, okay, without, otherwise you will have to do big multiplication of bigger numbers. So last it is simplified into 3 into 705. Okay. Now 705 into 3 you have to do. Rupees 2115. So 2000, that is 2115 rupees will be the interest for 1 year. Okay, so you'll have to pay this much interest. Okay, for 1 year. Okay, so with this, practice set 35 is done. That means this chapter is also over. Okay, so in this chapter you had to learn many things. That is, I told you, explained many things, but you have just one practice set and 4 word problems to do. 2 examples they have given. So in all the cases, what you had to find? You had to find the simple interest, right? That is, you will find the principal. Now the principal will be given. Then the rate of interest will be given. Then you will assume that X is the interest. So interest by the principal will be equal to 6, whatever is the interest, that is the rate of interest, by 100. Rate of interest will be in percentage. That is why we are writing 6 by 100. 6 is the PCPA, means 6 by 100. Then you will get, you can find the X by the same way as you solve equations, finding the variable X. Okay, then you will get the answer, whatever is the interest for 1 year. Okay, so this interest for 1 year is also called simple interest. Okay, so the simple interest will be added to whatever is the principal number. If you are borrowing money, after 1 year you will have to plus this money and give back. And if you deposit some money, after 1 year you will get an extra money. You will get it. Okay, and in the other case, when you are borrowing, you will have to give an extra money. Okay, so that is, you can deposit as well as you can borrow money from the bank. So this is the chapter banks and simple interest. Okay, so with this chapter, with this practice set 35, it is done. There is not much. With this, after the practice set 35, I have just done a quick revision also. I told you the main points. Okay, so there is no other quick revision required. So this is a small chapter with just 4 word problems to solve. Now next day we will start a new chapter. Okay, till then, bye children.